It's official. I am the CEO of lights. Man, we got a Christmas tree over here. Well, it's safe to say that I miscalculated that little dirt hill. Turns out, it's not so little. Looks like we struck some pretty compacted dirt based off of these scratches. The vinyl, thankfully, took most of the hit. My light pods seem to be bent. I'm gonna have to straighten that out. Might be the bracket on the bumper, but our bumper's definitely loose. I'm rubbing against the tire when I reverse. These two pods are bent. Wrap on this bumper is gonna have to be redone, and we're gonna have to check to make sure our lights still function. It's not gonna be fun to redo this. Other side is nice, beautiful side. Oh my goodness. As you guys can tell, we've got some repairs to do on the F-150. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assume this stuff happened on my last adventure, based off of all the dirt marks that was found everywhere. Looks like that was the culprit. Not sure how it happened. I didn't even hear it. I didn't even notice it until I think like a day or two later. But yeah, we're gonna have to try to fix this to the best of our ability. Take it off, make sure our lights function. We can bend everything back into place and try to rewrap this side of the Raptor bumper. And hopefully that'll get us back to a better condition than this. So good news, our lights of course still function, which means that we just need to bend the pods, straighten them out a little bit, and rewrap this side of the Raptor bumper. We have just removed the passenger side of the Raptor style bumper, and I'm actually looking at it from this angle. The truck actually looks pretty cool without the bumper. With the bumper or without the bumper, I don't know. Alright, let's go ahead and assess the damage. Definitely bent the light pod bracket here. Look at that. It's supposed to look like that, nice and flat. Pretty bent. Not bad, but still not in the best condition. So we're gonna have to pop this light pod out and see if we can try to correct the little swivel bracket here. I've taken out the two light pods that need to be realigned because the brackets are bent. Well, actually one of them is good. This one is yeah, not exactly identical. I think we could probably manage to bend that sucker back into place. Took a pretty bad beating. Yeah, ooh, that's bad. More importantly, guys, the light pods were the ones that took impact, and they're still good, no damage at all, especially on this one. Got scuffed up pretty bad by the dirt, as you guys can see, but it's still functioning. The little protective cover is still good, no scratch marks. It's just really dirty. Honestly, I thought after an impact like that, they'd be toast, like the mounting bracket, but these things are actually pretty solid. Bracket has been almost bent back into place. Maybe a little bit more, but apart from my bad vinyl wrapping here, looks like we actually dented the bumper here. Got these pliers right here. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this thing out as best as we can. taking off the satin black vinyl wrap off of the passenger side of the bumper here, and we're left with the original color that this bumper comes in, which is this nice dark grayish color. Looks good, but I'm going to go ahead and vinyl wrap this piece again in satin black. But first we're going to go ahead and clean this up, cross our fingers and hope that the vinyl wrap hides these blemishes, and we're going to try to straighten this out a little bit more. So that technique didn't exactly pan out the way it did in my head, but managed to complete the vinyl wrap on this, and for the most part it's hiding up all those scuffs that you saw before. Can't even see them. I mean, you could, but you really have to look. Next up, we'll go ahead and secure the light pods back on the Raptor style bumper. Repaired the passenger side of our Raptor style bumper, fixed the bends to the best of our abilities, and we fixed the light pods. We wrapped the bumper again and fixed any bends that we might have caused. This thing is solid now, not going anywhere. There we have it. We have repaired all the damage that we've done to our Raptor style bumper. Not only that, but we fixed our light pods because they got bent pretty badly, along with the bumper itself. And we also vinyl wrapped this piece again because we had to. And it's back to brand new. Goodness. We got the bumper repaired. Hopefully that'll be the last time we have to do that again. Truck is looking yet again vicious. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. All that stuff is greatly appreciated. Stay tuned because we do have a little extra coming in for the rear bumper of the F-150, so all the more reason to subscribe. Anywho guys, we're gonna go have some fun here. I'll catch y'all later. Peace, take care.